Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix Bosch Dishwasher E14 error, water intake fault, inlet valve and reset. So here is how you can easily fix the step 1. You can check water flow or fill level. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it, then turn off the water supply valve. After that, check if water pressure is normal from the tap, then turn everything back on and start a test cycle again. The fix 2, you can clean the flow sensor. Unplug the dishwasher, remove the lower panel at the bottom, find the flow sensor near the water inlet, then clean it gently and reinstall it. After that, in fix 3, you can simply check water inlet valve. Turn off power and water supply, inspect the inlet valve for blockage or damage, then replace the valve if it's look faulty. And at last resort, you can reset the dishwasher. Firstly, turn off the dishwasher, unplug it for 10 to 15 minutes, then plug it back in and restart the cycle. So here is how you can easily fix this problem. Goodbye.